Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. So start by opening Google Play Store. Now type on search bar and enter Firefox. Now click on install. Now you have to wait for a bit until the application is installed. When the application is done installing, you can open it, and here you can choose some settings such as changing your theme or picking a toolbar placement. You can also sign into your Firefox account or change privacy protection. When you're done setting up your application, click Start Browsing, and here you can open an internet website and it will work just as any other internet browser. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.